Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got the F-150 on the hoist and in the shop, but we ran into a little rust predicament. Classic Atlantic Canada came and saved us again. So that was all body filled over when we bought it, and then it was cracked and all crappy, and we picked up all the body fill and that's what was left. So we're gonna have to weld weld
that piece in.
Yeah.
That's your seatbelt piece.
Yeah,
too.
the seatbelt, that's
The
where it
seat
clamps
belt's
on right there. So we want to get that fixed before we take her on the road and then fly over the windshield because the seatbelt let go. And yeah, we're gonna have to do that. We had another piece here for this. That's it there. So we're gonna weld that in.
Part of that was pieces we didn't need for the other truck.
Yeah, we had that for the 3/4 ton, the diesel, but we didn't need it, so we're gonna use it for this thing.
So, yeah, that's just gonna.
Yeah, that'll go right under there.
We'll just snip that right out there.
Yep.
Cut the rivets on the other side and set that piece in and join her up.
Yep.
And then you got your seatbelt. You got all your full strength again.
Yeah, you're back to normal.
That's not safe.
No, it's not.
No,
It's not good.
not good.
We didn't realize it was that bad when we saw the body fill. We seen it cracked here, just a big crack, and so we were like, oh, we better go take a look. And so we started peeling back, and it just kind of kept going. So we did get this frame all undercoated, so it looks pretty good.
Frame looks really good.
The frame looks really, really good. You can't even see where we patched it. There's a little patch here that we did. You can't even see it. So that's pretty good.
New bolts in the hanger.
Yeah, new bolts in the hitch there, everything. And then we'll show you the other cab corner. It looks really good. We did some work on it.
They put a piece in here and somebody didn't
We
finish the job.
This piece is all new. This white where it is
Yeah.
all new because it was just
Somebody
not
made a
done
mess.
right. Yeah,
Mess of it.
I'm not sure who had this. Who did the body work on
Did
it
the back
before?
of the cab corner.
Yeah, there was a little bit of a hole there, but
Yeah.
we did it all up.
We reformed this.
Yeah, this was all crappy body filled and kind of cracked and everything, but
Yeah.
we reformed it, so now it looks factory. But I think this floor is good over here. There's nothing we really have to worry about here. I think this side's pretty much done.
Yeah, you can take a look under there. The floor is good.
Yeah. Oh, grab the stool.
Yeah, it just needs to be undercoated.
Yeah, just needs to start some undercoating on it and be good as new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cab mounts are good.
Cab mounts are good.
Yeah. Cab mounts up here are good.
Yep. So we're not doing too bad.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I think these rotors are good. We got a new master cylinder for it because the brakes, both of the front brakes, they were going out. They like the pistons, they were going out, but they weren't retracting. And we blew out the lines, but nothing was there, so we figured it's a master cylinder. We were doing research online and everything and figured that was it. So we ordered a new master cylinder.
Flex hoses are good.
Flex hoses are good. So we're gonna put that in. This thing needs an alignment too, so it's way out of line. Like,
It's over an inch.
yeah, it's probably hard to tell, but that's with the steering wheel straight. Like you can see, it's turned.
All new tie rods, center link.
Yeah, there's new tie rods on it.
Somebody lined it up really bad.
Yeah, whoever did the alignment, I don't even think there was an alignment. They just kind of hoped for the best. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. What else does this need? It needs a brake line.
Yep.
At the front.
Yeah, we got all that.
We got brake pads for it. And we're getting close to done here. We'll be on the road soon.
Yep.
So yeah.
Nice old 306.
Yeah, the old 306. Anyways, I think that'll wrap it up for this video. Just a quick update to show you what we're doing. We'll come back to this and show you what we did to it. I think he's going to cut it out tomorrow and get it all fabbed up for me and I'll weld it in. It's kind of what we've been doing. It's just he's the fabber and I'm the welder. So anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed and we'll catch you later.